Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Cart extended comments and reviews. With the help of this add-on, you can allow your users to represent the review tab in an attractive manner on your storefront. It offers you various features like you can differentiate the most critical review and the most helpful review on the basis of the customer rating. You can also get the feature of individual voting for the reviews. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. Go to this admin panel, click on manage add-ons. Click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on. Click on local and browse the zip file which have been provided to you by Webcool and click on upload and install. Once the add-on is installed in your system, you need to configure the settings of this add-on. This is my extended comments and reviews add-on. Go to this settings drop down and click on settings button. Here you can view various tabs starting with the first one, which is general. The first option provided over here is block height. Here you need to enter the height of the block for the most critical and the most helpful review, which will be visible at your front end panel. You can enter any desired height for that particular block. Next option is critical review limit. Here you need to enter the star rating for which the review will be considered as the critical review. This means that the rating less than this selected one over here will be considered as the critical one. Now let us come towards the next tab, which is products. If you want to enable the extended comments and reviews for the product details page, you can enable it by clicking this checkbox. Next option is to enable recommendation. If you want your user to recommend the particular product to the another user, you can enable the setting by clicking this checkbox. Next option is to display most helpful and most critical review block. If you want to display the most helpful and critical review block at your storefront on the product description page, you can enable the setting from here. And the last option is to enable individual voting for your reviews. You can allow your users to enable the voting for the individual reviews by enabling this setting. Similarly, you can enable the extended comments and review settings for the categories page. And likewise, you can do the settings for the other pages on your storefront and the testimonials also, and for the vendor's profile page. Once the settings have been made at the backend, you can click on this save button. Let us now view what happens at the front end. This is my front end panel. Let us click on this product. Here you can view, along with the description tab, there is a review tab. There you can see the average customer rating block and the most helpful and the most critical review block present over here. This will be considered as the most helpful and most critical on the basis of the customer rating selected at the back end. Here you can allow the user to recommend this particular product by clicking on this yes and no buttons. If your user wants to write a review, he can easily write a review by clicking this button. And for the individual voting for the reviews, that is, was this review helpful to you, you can easily allow your user to upvote and downvote for the particular reviews. This is all about the product detail page. You can also see the similar view as per your settings made at the categories page, at the vendor panel page, or at any other page of your storefront. This is all about my CS Cart extended comments and reviews. Thank you so much for watching.